Guys, hey, these are what I got. Wait, there's another one, this one and this one. Hold on, there's another one. I'm coming. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, first of all, we are making a malicious meal. This was on a Sunday. This is what I cooked for my family on a Sunday afternoon. We're making fried rice and chicken, and we'll also be going for some shopping, and I'll also be doing some unboxing with you all. What, as you can see from the title, I'm doing some skincare unboxing, and I did I won a giveaway from Ogum series. Thank you so much, sis. And I'll be showing you guys what I got. Okay, so right now these are our ingredients. I slice everything off camera, so I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients, which is carrots and spring onions. I'm just going to mix all those together. Then I will add my green pepper and green peas and mix all those together. A simple fried rice recipe, guys. It's nothing too much. I've already cooked my rice off camera, as you guys have seen. This is what my rice looks like. I've cooked it off camera. Then everything's already set. Just small video. I just want do and add to the haul. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. So this was on a Sunday, and the next clip you see was on a Monday. So I'm just going to be mixing all the rice together with the sauce and everything, and our fried rice was ready. I did this fried rice with some salad, and I also made a juice. Because please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. So loves, thank you so much for watching to this extent. I really do appreciate. So this is what our rice looks like. It looks nice, eh? We really enjoyed the rice very well.
I'm feeling it, my bones telling me it's right. It's so different, but when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette, and I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent, and you kick.
So it's time for me to make our salad. Our salad is just coleslaw, which is cabbage, carrot, and cucumber. That's a really simple salad. Then I'll add some sweet corn inside the salad. I always love this kind of salad. They are simple, but they taste amazing.
Get up and now I want to show you all what you deserve, and know we got so much to learn.
I blended those ingredients together, and this is what the juice looks like. I'm going to strain it and allow this to settle, and I will drink this. I made this juice came out like 2 bottles, so I drank this for 2 days. Okay.
And just like when we
call her godmother, call my husband. Call her from Nimis. Now she call yourself. I'm sure that time that you were trying to connect me back, she was the one that is trying to call you back. Uncle,
you know all those things.
of course now.
Yeah.
My phone ring, Mama. The phone, call, it's ringing. It's okay. So loves, happy Mondays. The next day, I have some errands to run to pay for my internet and also do a little bit of shopping with Madame. You can see her with her small trolley. So we'll be doing some shopping, and I'll show you guys what we got and the unboxing I'll be doing as well. The skincare unboxing I'll be doing. Like Christmas on the come on. This shop that I went to, they already start selling Christmas decoration. I already started decorating Christmas plates for where children will go and be playing and the rest. Like this is really fun to see. Watch guy. Please, people should have the pickles. I cannot come here and not have pickles. They don't have Papa's pickles. They don't have Papa's pickles. It's this one that they have. basil, mint, no name, basil. Okay, so pick one and another one.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes.
So guys, we just got back. Kai, my space will soon finish. Let me just do this thing. These are what we got. I'm just going to arrange it. I won't take you guys along. Any? Yes. Okay. Apple. Yeah, me, I've opened Apple. So I won't take you guys along because I don't have space on my phone. My phone don't have phone. I need to delete. Anyway, so I'll just unbox this whole stuff. Then I'll show you guys how it looks like. Then I will arrange and that's it. So catch you guys in the next clip. And I also will unbox. I'll show you guys the stuff I got. Oh my God. Gimme. The stuff I got from Jumia Black Friday. I won a giveaway from Orgum series. Thank you so much, sis, for the giveaway. I participated in her giveaway and I won it. So I added it with my own money and buy something from Jumia. I've been wanting to have this. Like I've seen a lot of review about this particular product, which I will show you guys later. Let me just unbox this stuff and I'll show you guys. Okay, so see you guys in the next clip. So guys, these are the stuff I bought. Some tissue, cornflakes, hypo, morning fresh. I got some perfume for myself, and we have this one, wine, and it's holiday now, so Bwwm perfume for madame, coffee, this one, juice, junky, yogurt, one yogurt, and all these are meats, oatmeal, milk, indomie, my green tea. This is parsley. I want to do juice. I have parsley, celery, and spinach. I want to do juice. Okay, I got sausage and fish finger. That's all. These are all I got. So guys, hey, these are what I got. Wait, there's another one. This one and this one. Hold on, there's another. So loves, if you guys don't hear me, I'll do a voiceover. So this is what I got. This one, mama wait, and this one. These are the things I got with the money. With the money, since Orgum series, I did a. She was in a giveaway and I won. So I just added the money with my own money to get this stuff started that I have here. My money and her money, I used to get this stuff. These are the things that I got. So thank you so much, sis. I really do appreciate the giveaway. Thank you. God bless you. God enrich your pocket. And yeah, so let's open this stuff. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's open it. So, this is what I got, guys. Oh, it's back. Oh, okay. Let me turn it. I'll show you guys after. This is what I got, guys. I have seen a lot of review about this thing, and I finally bought my. Don't buy me, don't buy me. Don't buy me. So, say for dry to very dry. I don't get dry skin. My skin is normal. Any asha, we go do all right. So this thing was 2-in-1 like this. I think I got it for 8,000. For this is Jumia Black Friday, so they're doing discount. So I got this two for 8,000 plus minus. Let me see if I can see it here. Yeah, 8,000 plus shipping 614. Yeah. So they said for normal to oily skin, that is for the moisturizer and the cleanser. Yeah, so I am super excited that I got this too. Hey, skincare shower routine coming soon. Yeah, shower routine coming soon. So for the next one, now wow, this small thing for 4,000 there, for 3,666 something. I'm gonna leave that stuff. Yeah, leave that thing. Come on, remove that thing from your mouth, sister. So this is for my hair video, my hair channel, and the rest is named Amla powder. So this one is for my hair channel. This one is it's nice. Do you do this? And this is the last one. Okay, don't worry, after. So I got vitamin C syrup. Madam, leave that in. Vitamin C syrup, I got it. This is what it looks like inside. I always love skincare, but ever since motherhood started, I neglected myself. So motherhood, taking care of newborn baby, don't finish. So my daughter don't turn to my church pikin. So let me start taking care of my face. Then this one is for my this bald spot area that I'm trying to regrow as well. So I saw a review about it that is good for it. So I'm going to be trying this in my YouTube hair channel. Yeah, so that's that. These are all I got. I'll show you guys a close-up shot of everything. Okay, love. So I don't know what will come up after this video. Whatever come up after this clip, please do it to watch to the end. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
So pick up the